In this video, I'm going to show you how to add comments in a PDF in Adobe Reader. Now to do this, you want to open your document, then you want to go to the right hand side here and you want to click on comment. This is going to open up the comment tab over here, and as you can see there's like a bunch of different things you could do. The first one is like a sticky note. You can click on it, click anywhere, and you can add a sticky note like this. For example, I'm going to say hello, click post, and then if you hover over it, it's going to show the sticky note for yourself. Now you also have this thing over here, which is the highlight text. You can change the color and the thickness over here as well. I'm gonna leave it like that and just make a highlight of some text. This is also considered like a comment. You can add a comment in here as well if you want to, like this. There we go. As you can see, that is a comment as well. Then you of course have things like underline. You can underline text, and all of these allow you to basically change the color as well. You could do a strike through like this. You could use this one, which is basically a note to replace text. So you could do it like that. For example, add a note over here. For example, replace this and then post. There we go. And that's going to work as well. So there's like a bunch of different things you could do, and all of these can have comments added onto them like that, as you can see. Okay, so of course you have this one too, and this one is like insert text at cursor. You could go and do that too. As you can see, it's there's just like a few convenient ones, and I'm going to showcase the other ones as well. You could just add a text comment, so click on anywhere and you can just type in whatever. That's going to act as a comment as well. You can add a box, a text box, and of course change the color, sizes, fonts. You can make it bold if you wanna, etc. Then you have this one, which is kind of a drawing tool, so you can draw over and make like comments that way as well. So you can type in something and it's going to pop up as a comment over here. If I post it, as you can see, there we go. And then you also have this one, which is the eraser. Now this allows you to erase. And then you have like a bunch of things like stamps. You also have like different attachments you can add, like record audio or attach files. And last but not least, you have these things, which are the shapes or drawing tools. So you can add like rectangles. You can of course add comments to these as well. You can add polygons, text callouts. You could do like pretty much whatever you want. And then of course use these however you want inside your PDF. So that's how to add comments. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.